Hi, it's Carola. So this video will be just a little tour around Paris. This will be a bit of walking in the rain. It's not raining that heavily anymore. I think the most part was when I was in the bus. So I got off at Louvre Etienne Marcel. Our first stop is the Palais Royal. I don't know what they represent, but they usually make good Instagram photos. And it's a little bit of modern art in an ancient building. I have been here for a former video, which was the Mission Impossible one. And from the Palais Royal, you just turn around and there's the Louvre. Might want to avoid that. We have the Roman eagle with a fairly Greek goddess. I would go with Athena, so probably Victoria. With the Louvre in the background, our path goes towards the park. Let's go under that one. I'm probably in everybody's pictures because I was right under that. And here we have the Arc de Triomphe in the background, and before that the obelisk of Place de la Concorde. They're not actually very close together. Just looks like that. You have the Eiffel Tower, very small in the background. No trottinettes, no skateboards, no dogs. Luckily they don't say no cameras. It's actually beautiful. We're in the Jardin Tuileries. So we're getting further away from the Louvre and closer to Place de la Concorde. Parisians like their trees in square shape. Of course, if you're already on the Champs Elysees, you can walk all the way up to the Arc de Triomphe, but I'm actually getting a bus home. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye!